Hello guys, glad to have you back again. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how I drafted the back part of my Princess Dart Bustier blouse. Please do me well to subscribe, like, comment and share this video. So I have my pattern paper and here is me drawing my basic bodies. For the shoulder slope, I came up by half an inch and that will be for my joining. If you don't do that, your blouse will come out short, okay? Then I have my chest line, my bust point line, under bust, waistline, or half length, then my full length. Okay, so I'll just be transferring my body measurement and I'll be adding my seam allowance. So I made use of 2 inches seam allowance. For these back parts, you don't really need much work like the front parts because you don't have bust behind, so that makes it easier. And again, you will need zipper allowance for the back piece, and that is why you have that zipper allowance line there, so you can decide to make use of 2 inches or 1.5 inches. Also for the back armhole, you don't need to come in by half an inch like that of the front. Yeah, so I just went ahead to create my armhole curve like that. Then for the bust span, that is the nipple to nipple, I transferred my measurement right there. So I'm going to get the midpoint of my armhole and I'll be connecting it to my bust point. And I also went ahead to eliminate all the sharp corners, the sharp lines. So you have to blend it. Then for the half length, I took half an inch of both sides, as you can see. Then I went ahead to create these lines. Very easy. Again, you need to take note of your zip bulge. If you don't want your blouse to be bulgy at the back, you need to take care of it by coming in at half an inch on that half length line. Okay, then you do the same outside, so that way you'll be able to cut out the excess fabric there. So that's it guys, this was how I created or drafted my back piece for my Princess Dart bustier. So when I was done, I got 4 pieces, so more like 2 center fronts and 2 side fronts. Okay, so the reason why it's 4 pieces is because there is zipper in the middle compared to the front piece. So there is how it looks. I'm going to just use my paper tape to hold everything together, and I went ahead to cut it on my fabric. So I cut out my fabric and lining and I went ahead to stitch. Okay, everything is looking good. Here is the final look after stitching, and you can see how neat it's looking. So if your work is not neat, then you have to do something about it. So here I will just join the two because that's where the zipper will be. Go ahead to remeasure to make sure that you are getting your zipper allowance correctly, because sometimes after stitching your measurement becomes smaller. I hope you understand what I'm saying. So I took my measurement again. I went ahead to draw the zipper line because that's where my zipper will be sewn. Hope you understand. So keep watching. I'll keep uploading the remaining part of the video. This is the back part of my Princess Dart bustier. Thanks so much for watching and I hope to see you all in my next video.